Next problem is resolve z power 7 minus 1 equal to 0 in linear and quadratic factor with real coefficients and find the values of. There are two problems. First is cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7. Second is cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 into cos 6 pi by 7. So these two problems we have to solve. Now solution. So given equation is what? Z power 7 minus 1 equal to 0. So this one we can write what? Z power 7 equal to 1. So this equation roots are what? 1 alpha, alpha square, alpha cube, alpha power 4, alpha power 5, alpha power 6, where alpha is what? E power iota 2 pi by n is what? 7. So 2 pi by 7. Okay, alpha will satisfy this equation. So from here we can say that alpha power 7 equal to what? 1. Okay, so by using this one alpha power 4, so alpha power 4 we can write as what? Alpha power 4 divided by alpha power 7, because alpha power 7 is what? 1. So if we divide by 1 there is no effect. So alpha power 4 divided by alpha power 7 we can write as what? 1 by alpha cube. Okay, so we can say that alpha power equal to what? 1 by alpha cube. Similarly alpha power 5, so alpha power 5 we can write as what? Alpha power 5 divided by alpha power 7. So this is equal to what? 1 by alpha square. Similarly alpha power 6, so alpha power 6 we can write as what? Alpha power 6 divided by alpha power 7. So this will come what? 1 by alpha. Okay, so instead of this one we can write what? Roots are 1 alpha, alpha square, alpha cube. Instead of alpha power 4 we can write what? 1 by alpha cube, 1 by alpha cube, comma, instead of alpha power 5 we can write 1 by alpha square, and instead of alpha power 6 we can write 1 by alpha. Okay, so these are the roots. Okay, so if roots are given then this equation we can write in terms of roots. Z power 7 minus 1, in terms of roots what will write? Z minus 1 into z minus alpha into z minus alpha square into z minus alpha cube into z minus 1 by alpha 3 into z minus 1 by alpha square into z minus 1 by alpha. Like that we can write down. Okay, so this equation we can write as what? Z power 7 minus 1 equal to, this is linear factor, so what will come? Z minus 1. Now here z minus alpha and z minus 1 by alpha we are multiplying, so what will come? Z square minus alpha plus 1 by alpha z plus alpha into 1 by alpha, that is 1. Similarly z minus alpha square and z minus 1 by alpha square, these two are we are multiplying, so what will come here? Z square minus alpha square plus 1 by alpha square into z plus 1. Similarly we are multiplying these two, so what will come? Z square minus alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube into z plus 1, this will come. Okay, so z power 7 minus 1 we can write as z power 7 minus 1 equal to z minus 1 into z square minus alpha is what? E power iota 2 pi by 7, e power iota 2 pi by 7 plus 1 by alpha, that means 1 by e power iota 2 pi by 7. So this one we can write what? E power minus iota 2 pi by 7 into z plus 1 into z square minus alpha square, that means this one is square, so what will come? E power iota 4 pi by 7 plus 1 by alpha square, so what will come here? E power minus iota 4 pi by 7 into z plus 1 into this one, so what will come? This one z square minus alpha cube is what? E power iota 6 pi by 7 plus 1 by alpha cube, 1 by alpha cube is what? E power minus iota 6 pi by 7 into z plus 1. Okay, so this equation we can write as what? Z power 7 minus 1 equal to z minus 1 into z square minus, for this one we know this formula, e power iota theta plus e power minus iota theta, this is 2 cos theta, so this formula we will use here. Okay, so e power iota 2 pi by 7 plus e power minus iota 2 pi by 7 we can write as what? 2 cos 2 pi by 7 into z plus 1 in bracket. This one we can write what? Z square minus, similarly this one we can write what? 2 cos 4 pi by 7 into z plus 1 in bracket. Similarly, this one we can write what? Z square minus, this one we can write what? 2 cos 6 pi by 7 into z plus 1. This one we can write. Okay, so z power 7 minus 1 factor is what? This is a linear factor, and these three are quadratic factor, and you can check coefficients are real. Now here first we are solving second part. Second part we want cos of 2 pi by 7 into cos of 4 pi by 7 into cos of 6 pi by 7. For that, what you will do, in this equation we will put z equal to iota. So if you put z equal to iota here, what will come? Iota power 7 minus 1, iota power 7 minus 1 equal to iota minus 1, iota minus 1 in bracket. Iota square is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 cos 2 pi by 7 into iota, 2 cos 2 pi by 7 into iota plus 1 into, similarly z square is what? Minus 1 minus 2 cos 4 pi by 7 into iota plus 1 into, similarly this one also what you come? Minus 1 minus 2 cos 6 pi by 7 and z is what? Iota plus 1. This will come. Okay, now here iota power 7 is what? Iota power 4 into iota cube. Iota cube is what? Minus iota. So minus iota minus 1. This is what? Iota minus 1. This one is minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled. This will come out minus 2 cos 2 pi by 7 into iota. Here also this is getting cancelled. We'll get what? Minus of 2 cos 4 pi 7 into iota. Similarly, this one will come out minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled. This will come out minus 2 cos 6 pi by 7 iota. This will come. Okay, so this one we can add what? This one we can add minus common, iota plus 1 equal to iota minus 1. Here is what? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So what will come? Minus 2 cube. Iota into iota into iota. Iota cube. Iota cube is what? Minus iota. In bracket. Cos of 2 pi by 7 into cos of 4 pi by 7 into cos of 6 pi by 7. This will come. Okay, so this will come what? Here minus minus getting cancelled. We will get what? Iota plus 1 equal to, here minus iota we are taking inside. So what will come? Minus iota square plus iota into cos of 2 pi by 7 into cos of 4 pi by 7 into cos of 6 pi by 7. This will come. Okay, so this will come what? Iota plus 1 equal to minus of iota square. So what will come? 1 plus iota into cos of 2 pi by 7 plus into cos of 4 pi by 7 into cos of 6 pi by 7. So here this one is getting cancelled. Then cos of 2 pi by 7 into cos of 4 pi by 7 into cos of 6 pi by 7 equal to what? 1. This is your answer. Now we are solving first part. For this one what we will do? We know roots of z power 7 minus 1 equal to 0. So we are finding sum of roots. Okay, so sum of roots is what? 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 we can write 1 by alpha cube plus alpha power 5 we can write 1 by alpha square and alpha power 6 we can write 1 by alpha. This summation is what? 0, where alpha is what? E power iota 2 pi by 7. Okay, so from here what will come? 1 plus alpha plus 1 by alpha. So this will come what? E power iota 2 pi by 7 plus e power minus iota 2 pi by 7. Similarly, plus alpha square plus 1 by alpha square. So this one we can write e power iota 4 pi by 7 plus e power minus iota 4 pi by 7 plus, similarly alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube. This one we can add what? E power iota 6 pi by 7 plus e power minus iota 6 pi by 7. This is equal to 0. Okay, so from here what will come? 1 plus, this one is nothing but 2 cos 2 pi by 7 plus, similarly this one is what? 2 cos 4 pi by 7 plus, similarly this one is what? 2 cos 6 pi by 7 equal to 0. So from here we can say that cos of 2 pi by 7 plus cos of 4 pi by 7 plus cos of 6 pi by 7 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is a solution of first part.